Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by identifying your GPU and creating a fallback. Open Device Manager or GPU-Z to confirm model and driver version. Write it down. Next, create a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Then, visit the manufacturer page, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and select the exact model and OS. Once done, download the driver package but do not install yet. Make sure the file matches your system architecture and release date to avoid incompatibilities. Once you have the installer, boot to safe mode and run display driver uninstaller if you want a clean slate. This avoids leftover conflicts. After reboot normally and launch the downloaded installer. Choose custom or clean install when available. It replaces old files and updates settings safely. Follow on-screen prompts and allow any included components, like PHYs-X or audio drivers. When installation finishes, restart your PC to finalize driver registration and ensure Windows loads the new driver properly. You finish by verifying the update. Open Device Manager and confirm the new driver version, then run a GPU benchmark or a game to check performance and temps. If something behaves oddly, roll back the driver in Device Manager or use the restore point you made earlier. If problems persist, make sure Windows updates and your motherboard BIOS are current. Sometimes firmware mismatches cause failures. One quick tip: booting to safe mode and reinstalling with the often resolves driver corruption or startup black screens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.